Manny here reporting live from Watson Farm. We're about to pick some apples because it's Thanksgiving weekend.
Just beside the Royal Gala, there are 4 rows of Red Delicious.
Hello. They are so clear. So clear.
Bag is empty.
Full of apples here. Full of apples.
No!
I'm looking from some apples. I don't see anything. Oh my god. You see some there. But I'm too short. I found one. I found one. I'm gonna catch this.
Remember, eye to the sky.
Wow. I got a piece of the tree.
Good job, Adam.
Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Oh, I see one here. Here. It's not too high for you? There? Huh? You see there? Oh, 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 oh. Ah, 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 ah. Wow. I find the perfect level to catch it. Okay?
You're so mean.
Yeah. Just here, there is some here. This is such a big apple.
Oh my.
Oh, this one is good. Oh Lord. Peanut butter? 1, 2, 3.
Suck. 1, 2,
3. Wow. Our first baby in the bag,
Let's just do 2 more.
Fuji apple. So sweet. Very delicious. Delicious.
No. Look at the baby one. That one. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah. Oh my.
Show us your trophy.
Bam!
Mission completed. Mission completed. I feel like apple today. We are done.
Come on. I think we have to sit. The mutsu is there.
Corn? Do you like corn, please?
No.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh, she liked the grass. Yeah.
Oh, hi baby. Nice teeth. Snap it and stretch it.
Oh my god. Welcome to the flea market.
Here they are. Mama, right here. Right there.
Yeah, but they were expensive, aren't they?
Hi Bobby, how are you?
This young boy would call him a garlic.
Should have just like called me.
It's like a house. A bit creepy.
Like in the store.
Wanna take a bath?
for Halloween.
I don't think Chinese. Like, where do you get the color?
Oh my.